What's the one thing that all successful entrepreneurs have in common? They know how to manage their time and money. And if you're like most small business owners, you're probably always looking for ways to do that more efficiently. That's where HoneyBook comes in. In this video, we're going to take a look at what HoneyBook is, how it can help you manage your time and money, and how to get started using it. What is HoneyBook? HoneyBook is a cloud-based business management software that helps you streamline your workflow, get paid faster, and close more deals. It's designed for freelancers, consultants, and other small business owners who work with clients. How HoneyBook can help you manage your time. HoneyBook helps you keep track of all your projects and tasks in one place. You can create custom workflows and assign tasks to yourself or your team members. You can also set deadlines and track your progress to ensure that you're on track. Get paid faster. HoneyBook makes it easy to create and send invoices to your clients. You can also track your payments and see which invoices are outstanding. Close more deals. HoneyBook helps you create professional proposals and contracts. You can also use HoneyBook to track your leads and nurture your relationships with potential clients. How to get started with HoneyBook. HoneyBook is easy to use and set up. Once you've created an account, you can start adding your clients and projects. You can also customize your workflows and templates to fit your needs. HoneyBook features. Here are some of the key features of HoneyBook. Workflows. Create custom workflows to automate your business processes. Proposals. Create professional proposals and contracts. Invoices. Create and send invoices to your clients. Payments. Track your payments and see which invoices are outstanding. Leads. Track your leads and nurture your relationships with potential clients. Tasks. Assign tasks to yourself or your team members and track your progress. Calendar. Keep track of your appointments and deadlines. Documents. Store and share your documents with your clients. Integrations. Integrate HoneyBook with other tools that you use, such as QuickBooks and MailChimp. HoneyBook pricing. HoneyBook offers a variety of pricing plans to suit your needs. The basic plan starts at $39 per month, and the premium plan starts at $99 per month. You can also get a custom quote if you have more than 10 employees. HoneyBook alternatives. There are a few other business management software options available, such as Dubsado and ClickUp. However, HoneyBook is one of the most popular and comprehensive options on the market. HoneyBook is a great tool for small business owners who want to streamline their workflow, get paid faster, and close more deals. If you're looking for a way to manage your time and money more efficiently, I highly recommend giving HoneyBook a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay productive.